As a guest teacher, you know one of the most challenging things in a classroom is to hold the attention and interest of students while carrying out the teacher's lesson plans. One Gallup poll reported 55% of American students grades K through 12 are engaged or ready to learn and invested in the learning process. Interestingly, the poll also found 28% of students are not engaged and 17% are actively disengaged. What do these statistics tell us? In an average classroom size of 24 students, more than half of the room is wishing they were somewhere else or daydreaming about things they feel are more exciting than sitting behind a desk. As a guest teacher, you have the power to make students excited to learn again. Here are some strategies to spice up your teaching style. Active learning. Active learning involves students in the learning process more directly than in other methods. These techniques include activities such as class discussion, think, pair, share, turn and talk, 1-minute paper, creative projects, and student debate. Remember, not all students absorb information the same way, but active learning activities will engage all students and all learning styles. Get up and move. If you're looking around the classroom and you see lots of tired eyes or bored faces, it's time to get the students on their feet and elicit some blood-pumping moves. Incorporating movement into the classroom routine makes students less fidgety and much more focused on learning and the tasks at hand. A quick march around the room can give students a quick jolt of energy and immediately improve on-task behavior. Break it up, considering breaking long sessions up into 5 to 15-minute segments with short breaks in between. The shorter sessions will not only motivate students, but will also allow them to get the most out of each lesson. Use music. Research has shown that using music in the classroom increases the cognitive processes and the mood. The right kind of music, such as classical or instrumental, can enhance learning and even stimulate memory. While most students won't be too excited about classical music, instrumental versions of current day hits are available that will have the same effect. Music can be used during independent assignments or group work where there is less of a need to focus on a teacher's instruction and more of a need to attend to the task at hand. Guest teachers have the opportunity to be creative and work on engaging the students so they can provide the most worthwhile, meaningful, and fun learning experience. All it takes is some pre-planning and thought, and together, we can make the biggest difference.